Okay, I've just loaded up my Oculus app and it's already got the Oculus Quest games preloaded on it already. So let's have a quick look to see what we've got. In the spotlight we have Beat Saber for $22.99, Vader Immortal for $7.99, Robo Recall Unplugged is free, whatever that is. Let's have a quick look. It looks like it's coming free. Is it coming free? It must be coming free with the Quest, is it? I don't know. Brilliant. Okay. Robo Recall Unplugged free. Brilliant. Confirmed. Super Hot VR, $18.99. Dead and Buried 2, $14.99. Job Simulator, $14.99. Creed Rise to Crawley, $22.99. Dance Central, $22.99. That's the spotlight. Games to get you started, Moss, $22.99. Big Roller Coaster free. Wonder, $7.99. Now I have noticed when I went to my library for the Quest, it hasn't got my crossplay stuff on there yet, which is very strange. Why is it taking so long to load? Yeah, it hasn't got the crossplay stuff on there yet, but look, there's Robo Recall already on there for free. I've got the Oculus Gallery, Oculus TV, Oculus Video, and Oculus Browser. Presumably all my crossplay stuff will come across, I hope, because I've already bought Tilt Brush. I bought the Rift version of that, and that was supposed to be crossplay. Maybe, wait there, maybe, hang on. Maybe if I can go down to... I can search for Tilt Brush. Maybe I can, like, unless it's not out for it yet. I don't know. How is that free? How can Tilt Brush be free? I don't get how that can be free because I've just literally bought it. That can't be free. I had to buy it on the Quest version. Okay, well that's free then. Well, I might have to try and get a refund on the old... Unless it's because I've already bought it, maybe. Yeah, maybe that's why then. Yeah, that's what it is. It's not free. It's basically what happens is, right, that's how it works. I was just like confused there. So basically, if you've already bought it on the Rift store, it shows up as free on here. So I was a little bit confused there, so I apologise for that. It looks like. So what other games then have I already got? Rick and Morty, is that on here? Maybe not. Nah, Rick and Morty's not on here. Maybe that will be one of the ones that come across, hopefully. Well, we know Rec Room's free, so we'll whack that on. What else do I want? Go for big screen. So this is basically getting me ready for tomorrow. Why isn't it showing up? There it is, big screen beta. Whack that on there. Continue, that's free. And what about virtual desktop? Is that on there yet? Let's check that out. Virtual desktop. Go. Virtual desktop, $14.99. Okay, it's already got 2 reviews. It's a must-have. I do want to get that. Let's buy that. Virtual desktop. Yes. Purchase. Nice. Okay, so we have virtual desktop now. That'll be good for playing PC games. Looking forward to that. Lying on my bed with a massive screen in front of me playing the games. I look forward to that. What else do I want to get? VR chat, yes, we'll definitely get VR chat. That's free. Oh, it feels like Christmas. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Look at these games, look, film ones, virtual desktop. Borgo, that's free. Oh, we'll get that. That's that virtual pet one, isn't it? Where you like, oh look, you feed your little pet and you can stroke it and stuff and throw sticks for it. Oh, I'll play that later. YouTube confirmed. YouTube VR confirmed. We'll definitely get that. Free. Got that. Nice. What about Netflix? Is Netflix on here? Have they put it on here? Let's have a look, shall we? Whoops. Oh, you beauty. Netflix confirmed. Netflix is confirmed. Continue. Yes, please. I will have a little bit of Netflix. Yes, guys. Confirmed on release day. You heard it here first. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Oh. Oh. Check your Oculus first steps. Confirmed. Nice. I think we knew that, to be honest. Rush 40.99, Rocket Fury 40.99, PokerStars VR. May as well get there. That'll be a laugh. Whack that on there. I'm looking forward to Tilt Brush though. What else have we got? Look at all these purchases that I've bought already. I know, what's this? Browse all. Beat Saber 22.99. Super hot. I don't want to buy it. Oh, I do know what I do want to buy. Vader. $7.99 Vader Immortal. That's probably about $10 in the US. Yes, we'll definitely have that. We will definitely have Vader Immortal. Purchaso. Nice. I mean, that's enough for me, I think. I can't think of any of the games that I want to buy. Nice. Brilliant. Okay. Well, if you do want a quest, there'll be one in there. There's loads of links for all the different countries in the description. I really do appreciate you watching. I know this is just a little quick video. I'll have another look at this, see what else is coming out on there. But I mean, look, God, there's so much stuff. How can there be so much stuff on here? Look. What's all these? Look, Oculus collections. Look, God, Jesus, so many, so Oculus originals. Dead and Buried, Shadow Point, Sports Scramble. They're all like Journey of the Gods. Oh, I did want to. Face Your Fees 2. Oh, look at those games. 2 more games. Let's buy them. Once they're bought, aren't they? I don't want to go too mental. That's the thing. Have to get Journey of the Gods, surely. Do I not? I mean, $22.99. We have to get Journey of the Gods, surely. Let's get it. Okay. That's it. That's the hype. The hype is now over. I've got the games that I wanted to buy. I think I spent all my money that was on my PayPal. But I've got the games that I wanted. I'm pretty happy. I've already got Orbis VR actually as well, so I can probably get that around. I used to have that on the Rift as well. So that should be free for me. Yeah, that's free. So when I was getting really excited to begin with, sorry if I come on. Error performing query? What do you mean? Did I already get it? I might have already got it. Come on. Well, these are all my games that I've got somehow. Pet Lab. When did I get all these then? They just updated or something. Facebook 360. What's this? I purchased it apparently. This is literally just updated while I've been on the app. Facebook 360. Wonderglade. What's that? This is all just come with it, I think. Bait. I didn't have that before. These all just must come with the quest. Henry? What's Henry? It's a little film about a hedgehog. Pet Lab. Disney Movies VR. Avatar Editor. God, it's all just getting updated as I'm looking at the actual app, I think. Within, what's that? Samsung Galaxy Gallery. It's all there. Within, what's that? Oh my god. Total hype, guys. Total hype. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for the unboxing. Jesus Christ, these trains, man, honestly. Netflix. Where's my YouTube? Whoa, hang on. I purchased it, but it's not appearing in there. That's weird. Anyway, guys, there we go. That is my... Oh, there it is. YouTube library. Oh, brilliant. Okay. Well, that's all. I've got a lot to keep me going. Already. I've got the Vader Immortal, Jane of the Gods, Phase 2. All games I wanted to get. I've got my Netflix and my YouTube. That's pretty good. I've got VR chat. I've got Rec Room. And all these... What's this? A film... Oh, that's a demo. It's a demo. So much stuff, honestly. Look, Jurassic World Blue. What's that? Is that a full game? It's crazy. It's crazy. Anyway, I'm going a bit mental, I think, looking at all this. This is really cool, anyway. Just remember, stay 100% real and stay 100% Jim. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you later. See you tomorrow for the unboxing, yeah? See you later.